Over 1,444 people have viewed this post in the past hour, and over 2,900 people have viewed this post in the past hour, and this post has received over 125,000 views in its first week being on this website. I'm going to show you how you can do this absolutely for free, and when you do this, you can generate hundreds of dollars online, even up to 85% commission payout, which is 80% more than most local jobs out there. This particular product is paying over $41 commission, also 85%, $209, $25, and you can earn anywhere between $200 and my biggest day of $450 online using this website over here that is getting thousands of views in the first couple of hours of posting. I'm going to show you where you can go and find these exact affiliate products in the simple database and affiliate marketplace over here to go and promote on this brand new website and make hundreds of dollars every single day. This website has categories in every single niche that you can think of, so there's no excuse not to succeed at this. If you're into fitness and health, if you're into photography, social media, sports, survival, dating, love and relationships, dance and music, for example, there are endless niches to succeed and make money online with this. You don't have to wait days to get approved for any of these affiliate market products over here. You will get approved immediately once you sign up on this website. I signed up on this website and immediately get access to my affiliate link for every single one of these products over here. So there's no unnecessary time waiting. You can make money online straight after this video. On top of all of this, I want to show you how you can go and import and create a simple landing page that will increase your conversion rate and revenue up to 40 to 50% using the power of email marketing with this free tool over here. Every single tool that I'm going to show you in today's website is completely free and you can get free access to it. Digistore24.com is free. This free advertising website over here getting thousands of views in your first couple of hours is completely free to post. This landing page builder tool over here is free your first month, and you can just use this strategy to pay off this landing page account. The landing pages aren't even required with the strategy, but it's a great extra tip to really help you and increase your sales and conversion rate by an extra 40 to 50%. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about affiliate marketing and this free advertising website that is getting thousands of views, and how we can put that together with all of these affiliate products that I've just showed you in the intro to make anywhere between $100 and $500 a day in affiliate commissions. So with all of that being said, we're not going to waste any time and we're going to get straight into it. Hi guys, so as I mentioned in the introduction of this video, today I've got an epic banger for you guys with regards to affiliate marketing, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go and get access to this database with hundreds of products in all these different niches, put a simple post with a done for you script on this free advertising website that I'm going to go through in a bit. And on top of all of this, there's no waiting for days and days to get approved by any of these affiliate products. Once you sign up on this affiliate marketplace, which is accepted worldwide, I honestly prefer it to ClickBank right now, and you will get access and your affiliate link to any of the products on this affiliate marketplace immediately, which means you can make money online using the strategy straight after understanding this video. I really do recommend try and watch this video until the end, because in today's video I'm going to drop tons of value and I'm going to give you one of the easiest step-by-step tutorials and process to go and follow this and succeed at this. But I don't want you to miss anything important, as on my screen over here I'm going to show you in detail how to go and set this up, what to type, what websites to visit, so that you don't miss a single thing. That's going to lead us to our first website over here called Digistore24.com, like I mentioned in the intro. So this is honestly one of my favorite affiliate marketplaces or websites if you want to become an affiliate marketer. So this is a platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automation, including tax. So over here you can go and promote affiliate products. For example, this product over here, which is a keto meal plan and diet plan, and every time you sell this product to any person in the world, you are going to get paid a commission of $41.80 from this company as a reward for promoting their product. Some of these people are paying up to 85% commission, which is absolutely huge. Most salesman jobs out there today only pay between 2 and 5% sales commissions on every sale that you make, whether it's car dealerships or whatever sales company you can think of. The commission is extremely low. So for these companies to be paying strangers like you and me 85% for promoting their products is an amazing reward for us. On the homepage of digistore24.com, click on register now on the top right over here, and it will take you to our website all the way over here where you need to fill out some information such as your username, email, password. Just go and select your time zone, whatever time zone you're at, your title, company name, address, and go and click register for free. Once you've done, you will get an email verification, which then you can go and sign into your Digistore24 account and get access to all of these affiliate products instantly without having to be approved by any of them. So once you signed in with your account that you just created, you're going to land on your dashboard that looks like this. This is what the marketplace looks like. Currently, I'm on all the possible products over here, and we can go and niche down into specific categories. A good niche example that I'm going to choose for today's video is called jobs and employment, and I've already found a good example of a product that you guys can go and use for today's video. This product over here really caught my attention, called the Photo Bible Earn from Your Photos Premium Membership. So this is an entire marketplace where people can go and post their photos and make money selling their photos. So over here, take a look at what you're going to earn. So this particular Photo Bible has a $27 monthly subscription fee. Now, every time you refer someone to Photo Bible, you are going to get 90% of this monthly subscription fee for the lifetime of your referral that stays with Photo Bible. So what I like about this product, it brings in true passive income. So if you refer 5 people to this tool or program or membership area or photo premium membership, you are going to earn $16.90 times 5 every month for the rest of your life. So you can refer people to this photo premium membership called Photo Bible 1 year ago and still be making money today. That is ultimate true passive income, which is what I love about affiliate marketing, and specifically subscription-based products. You'll see that I talk a lot about that on my YouTube channel. I'll also show you one of the affiliate products that I promote as an affiliate marketer, which is also a monthly subscription-based, which pays me a passive income. I'm still earning money today from that affiliate program from work that I've put in 2 years ago. So that is the beauty of this. So you'll see if I go and click on my affiliate link over here, it will take me to the landing page of this product. Now, what I really like about any of these affiliate products, all of these products on digistore24.com have their own form of a landing page, which will do a lot of the hard work for you. So you don't necessarily need to go and create a website in depth that will take hours and days and cost you a lot of money. You'll see this entire website is done for you. All you need to do is get people to this website, refer to them, which you can give people, especially photographers, a chance to make money from their photos, and you will earn 90% every single month of their monthly subscription fee. As you can see over here, there's no submission process. There's no having to ask for your affiliate link, unlike jvzoo.com or Warrior Plus. You can go and copy your affiliate link and start promoting this product right away, which really makes it easy and gives you access instantly instead of having to wait up to 3 days to get your affiliate link approved. So that's going to lead us to the part of this video that we've both been looking forward to, the free traffic website over here, and you will see some of these posts, which are the recent posts posted on this ad website. This one was just posted a few minutes ago and is already on 34 views, meaning 34 people have viewed this post. This post over here got 960 views, and you will see that you can pay for extra upgrades on this website. These posts that are colored in red, blue, and green, they paid an extra $5 or $7 fee to highlight their post, which makes it more attractive on the website. The plain white ads over here are the completely free posts, which you don't have to pay for at all. And even the free ones over here are getting lots of views. You'll see this one got 128,000 views. This one got 125,000. This one over here got 9,600. So a lot of these posts are getting a lot of views. This one over here got 11,715. So there's a lot of potential traffic on this website to convert into tons of sales. But it's super important that we learn how to go and structure our ad, not put too much text, and keep it as simple as possible. Here you will see, to submit a free ad, all you need to put is your link, a short title, and a description of the product that you're promoting. So we can go and start off by coming over to the Photo Bible product over here. So we can go and copy this headline as is, come over to the short title, paste this over here, and we can go and put a simple description. So we can go copy this as our description, and just like that, our ad is complete. So all we need is a simple short title that's quick to read. As you can see over here, earn from your photos, sell your photos online, upload and instantly sell to. That's all you want. You want something as small as this that's quick for people to read that they will go and click on. You don't want a massive description where your viewers have to take a while to read it. So keeping it neat and short like this will really increase your click-through rate on your post on this website. We can go and enter our name, for example, Jay, and your email address over here, for example, my email at gmail.com. And you can also go and upgrade your ads here, as I mentioned. You can go and add a color like blue, green, or red, like I showed you on the homepage. You can go and add an emoji, which costs an extra $2. You can go and increase the size of your ad, making it appear bigger than the other ads on the marketplace for just an extra $1. Or you can feature your ad in emails as well for an extra $4 cost. Or you can bump it up to the top immediately for an extra $5. That means everybody that visits free advertising 24/7 will see your post immediately, which is not a bad investment for $5. You can also add an image to your post for an extra $6. So I think a perfect sweet spot is, firstly, go and post your post as is without spending money. If you do have an extra $10 to spend, use the bump it up to the top of the post and go and add a color. So that way it's at the top and it stands out in a color, making thousands of people more seeing your post. But in the beginning, it's up to you what you want to do, if you want to use the free way or upgrade it to the top with a custom color. For your link over here, you can come over to Digistore24, copy your affiliate link and go and paste that over here under your URL. For your category, we want to go and look for, I would say, arts or media, since that's what photography is about. Or if you want to, you can go and use employment opportunities, because it gives photographers a side hustle or work from home opportunity to sell their photos. So you can go and choose either one of those. Once you're ready, just go and follow the prompt over here. The submit button is right at the bottom of the page. So you need to go scroll all the way down to the bottom. And over here, you will see there's a simple code 6257. Click on submit ad over here and your ad will be submitted to this marketplace. So obviously you need to go and enter your real email address just to go make sure that it's real, and then you need to go and click on the verify email in order for your post to be posted live on this website. So this free advertising website is called freeadvertising247.com or 247.com, which is the website that will look like this. So when it says over here bump up to the top, it will put it right at the top over here like these guys are doing over here. So the next thing we're going to go and do is, and an awesome bonus that I want to talk about in today's video, is how we can go and create our own simple landing page with this to increase our conversion rate in sales by an extra 40%. So I know I said in the beginning a website is not necessary for this, but if you go and create a quick custom landing page with an opt-in form, it will allow you to build an email list, which we can also monetize in multiple ways with affiliate products and affiliate links. The tool that we're going to use to go and import our done for you landing pages is called builderall.com. Now, if you go and click on the plans page over here, you will see this tool is quite expensive, but don't worry, you don't have to go and pay this immediately. I've actually noticed they've upped their price now to $87. It used to be $79, and their original or cheapest account is $16.90 a month. Now, if you come over to this landing page over here and you scroll down, you'll see over here, I'm going to give you the link now, you are going to get over $1,288 in bonuses with Builderall completely for free, plus free access to Builderall. So you're going to get a customized business strategy to follow at $497 value, a private group chat with support, affiliate email templates that you can use with this strategy, and a high converting funnel template that you can use valued at $297. If you go and click this green button over here, which is the second link in the description of this video, you will go and get Builderall free for 14 days, and you don't even have to enter your credit card. So it won't deduct anything off of your debit card or credit card. After the 14 days, it will just cancel, and you can decide up to yourself if you want to continue. So when you start making money off the strategy, you can scale with Builderall over here, which then obviously that just pays off your account. It's not required to use Builderall, but I'm just showing you this as a bonus in today's video to give you an extra boost and extra valuable tip to use with the strategy. So I'm going to come over to my Boulderall office over here. Let me just come back all the way to my Boulderall office. So you need to come over to office.boulderall.com. Once you've signed up on this website, which is the second link down below, it's then going to take you to a dashboard that looks like this. Under the tools drop down over here, there's a blue arrow. Click on that. All of the tools of Boulderall will pop up over here. You need to go and click on Cheetah Website Builder, click on enter, and it will take you to the page where we can go and create a live website and import done for you templates at the click of a button without having any coding knowledge and without designing anything yourself. You'll see there's a lot of my websites over here that I run on multiple affiliate products. We want to go and click on create new website over here, click on choose professional templates, and under this page over here you'll see there's probably close to 1,000 done for you templates that you can go and use with the strategy. And on the search bar you just want to go and type 3 simple letters. OPT, which stands for opt-in. So once you go and search for opt-in pages, it's going to load up every single page with a form that collects name and emails, which we can plug into an email sequence, which we can send a series of emails to our viewers from this free advertising website to generate even more money online. One of my favorite templates I usually use is the Theme 04 reverse opt-in. So we can go and click on use this website over here, click on save, and in a couple of seconds it will automatically build your done for you website for you. Go and click on edit page over here and it will take you to the live Boulderall page editor of the specific example. And take a look at this. All you've got over here is a bit of text, a video, and an email address over here to get instant access. So we can go and delete the logo section over here. We don't actually need that. We just want this part of the page over here. And again, for the heading, we can go and copy the heading of the Photo Bible website, come back to our Cheetah Website Builder, double click on the heading text over here, click on large text editor, and we can go and paste this over here, centerize it. Let's just maybe make it a little bit bigger, for example 24 or even up to 30. That's still quite small. We can go and make sell your photos, for example, bold and a nice red color. So let's go and make this red, and we can click on save over here. So now our title looks like this. For this opt-in form, we can click on it, click on set list over here, because we need to save all of the emails that are entered on this page to a specific list so that it knows which emails to send the list to. Click on name and email basic, or you can create your own new one. I'm going to click on save over here. So now our leads need to enter their name and email. Let's just drag this down a little bit so we've got enough space. Just click on center elements over here to make sure everything is centered. And just like this, we've got our text over here. Put your email below to get instant access, which then when people click on this button, it's going to take them through our affiliate link to the Photo Bible website over here. So we want to go and copy our Digistore 24 affiliate link over here. Again, come back to our Cheetah Website Builder, click on this green button, click on set link so that it knows what link to take our viewers to after they've subscribed. So I'm going to go and paste the URL over here, click on select and click on save, and now we can go click on save at the top right, and our page is complete over here. We can click on that's fine. In a couple of seconds, it will then give you the live link to this page, which the public can access. You'll see if I open this up in a new tab, it's going to take me to my landing page that I've just created. So we can go and copy the link of our landing page, come back to freeadvertising24.com and go and paste, instead of your affiliate link, your landing page link in your link URL over here, so that all the traffic that you get from Free Advertising 24 goes over to your landing page over here, enters their name and email, which is then saved to an email list, which we can then set up email sequences. You could use those affiliate marketing templates that is included with the bonus on Boulderall, and just like that, you've created a sweet spot of an affiliate marketing business with free traffic using the strategy. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to give you tons of more value in today's video, again, completely for free. So on the screen over here, I'm going to leave my affiliate marketing playlist, which will go over tons of traffic methods that you can use with your landing page over here. I'm also going to leave on this side my Boulderall training playlist, which will go through in depth with various videos that I've posted over the past 2 years on YouTube, combined into one simple playlist for you, which I can honestly charge hundreds of dollars for, but here it is on YouTube completely for free. So you can go and click on one of these playlists over here. It will go through Boulderall, creating your own funnels, and the affiliate marketing playlist will go through various strategies and traffic methods that you can plug in together. So what I recommend is click on one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.